Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Epic Games Payday 2 not launching problem. Let's fix it guys. Today's video I'm showing you guys as well how to optimize your computer for Payday 2. So in this video I'm gonna sharing so many people's mention in Reddit guys for this solution. That's why I'm making this video. So I don't have money to buy Payday 2 game guys. So in this video I will guide you to fix the problem guys. Let's jump straight into it guys. For that, first step, you need to change the compatibility settings for Payday 2 guys. For that, you just need to right click on the Payday 2 like this and select properties. You just need to select the compatibility tab over here like this. You just need to check mark the disable full screen optimization. You just need to check mark this guys, and as well as run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 7. Set this to Windows 7 and you just need to select this apply and OK. After changing this, after doing this step, let's move on to the second step. For that, we just need to do the same thing for Epic Game Launcher guys. For that, right click on the Epic Game Launcher and select properties, select compatibility tab and check mark the run this program as an administrator. Check mark it and select apply and OK guys. After doing this, we just need to delete the cache files from your Epic Games and Payday 2 guys. For that, right click on the start icon, select run. In run window, you just need to type percentage local app data percentage again, click on OK. Opens up app data local folder. In here you just need to delete the Epic Game Launcher guys. Epic Game Launcher, Epic Games Launcher, right click on it, select delete guys. It is gone deleting. You just want to do is click on this arrow icon, click on it, and background Epic Game Launcher is running guys. That's when that cache is not deleting. Right click on the Epic Game Launcher and select exit. After doing this, click on try again, cancel it and right click on the Epic Game Launchers and select delete guys. Now it can be deletable. And do the same thing for Payday 2 cache remove guys. For that, you just need to search for Payday 2, double click on it, and renderer settings, you just want to delete it guys. Right click on it and select delete guys. This file will automatically recreated when the game is launched guys. After doing this, close out of here. Now set the Payday to high performance guys. For that, go to search menu and type settings, click on settings. In here or on right side, you just want to select the display over here and scroll down, select the graphics over here. In here in search this list, you just need to search for Payday 2 guys. I don't have it, that's why I'm gonna teach you guys. You just need to search for Payday 2 and click on it and select the options over there. Click on high performance for your game guys. Select save, and after doing this, you just need to go to system again. On right side, you just need to scroll down, select about. This is fourth step of the video guys. Select advanced system settings. This is important step guys. Under the performance visual effects, click on settings. In here, select the advanced option, select visual memory under, click on change, uncheck the box automatically manage pegging file size for all drives guys. You just want to select your drives. I have 2 drives guys. How many drives you having it, you just do the same thing guys. You just need to select the drive and select system managed size, select set. After setting system managed size, do the same thing for how much drive you having it. Do the same thing, system managed drive. After doing this, what we will do here, guys, to create virtual memory for our disk, guys, on the computer itself. It's very important step to do it. This can help to resolve issues like not launching, guys. For that, you just need to, after changing it, click on OK, click on OK again, click on OK, click on OK. After doing this, last final step, you just want to click on restart, guys. Restart now. Hopefully your problem will be resolved, guys. That's it for today's video, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.